As a OEM or a panel builder, we normally think that a big rating of ACB or maybe a big rating of VFD is one of the most crucial component of our panels or of our machines. As a common human tendency, हम हर चीज की importance उसके price value से करते हैं. But can you expect your panels or your machines to be complete without these small components? Could be a cable duct, could be terminals, could be glints, or a mere thimble? No, you cannot. To offset an ACB, if at all you require 2500 amperes of ACB in your panel, आप उसकी जगह 3200 amperes की ACB से भी काम चला सकते हैं, and it can give you the same sort of protection. But the work which a thimble would do cannot be done by any other component. So when we try to work on our procurements or on the technical specs of our system, we normally take priority only for the switchgear and the automation components. Normally we tend to miss on the linking components. Could it be wiring ducts, your ferrules, your thimbles, glints, or at times maybe your wires. But let's understand that without these components, our core system cannot get complete. And these are those things which provide us with an optimum safety in our installation basis. So we at Balaji Switchgears can help you do the right selection of these components as well for your installations. Anytime you face any selection problems or you need to know more about such components, do let us know and we shall be happy to assist you.